In today's fast-paced world, traditional workshops are being redefined by the power of digital tools and innovative methodologies. Let's explore how these digital workshops can revolutionize your training experiences. Welcome to our digital workshop journey, where we blend digital technology with an effective training methodology to create engaging and impactful learning experiences. Let's start by looking how digital workshops address and overcome the limitations of traditional workshops. First, digital workshops are delivered through digital presentations, which provide a framework for their delivery. With the support of the SME Trade Academy, these digital presentations are built according to instructional design principles, providing both interactivity and a solid pedagogical structure for learners. What's more, they seamlessly integrate with learner management systems, facilitating data collection and reporting. This synergy culminates in a transformative learning experience. With interactive exercises and collaborative engagement, participants actively participate, ensuring that they effectively retain knowledge. In contrast to traditional workshops, where content delivery dominates, digital workshops allocate more time to participant interaction, fostering a dynamic exchange of ideas. Moreover, the use of video ensures consistent content delivery, independent of individual trainer capabilities. Predetermined questions guide discussions, promoting formative learning. Training data, including performance metrics and participant feedback, are seamlessly captured, providing real-time insights for continuous improvement. Notably, the digital workshop methodology is easily transferable, empowering trainers worldwide. Already deployed in numerous projects, over 10,000 participants have benefited from this approach, irrespective of digital literacy levels. Now, let's look at the pivotal role of questions in driving interactivity within a workshop. The SME Trade Academy categorizes questions into 3 levels, each serving a distinct purpose. First-level questions assess understanding of a concept or topic, while second-level questions encourage interpretation and analysis of that concept or topic. However, it's the third-level questions that delve deeper, revealing personal insights and fostering meaningful discussions. Digital workshops use a mix of second- and third-level questions to foster analysis and contextualization in an interactive setting. Discussions are a crucial exercise in digital workshops. They set the stage for a controlled exchange of ideas between participants under the guidance of the trainer. Let's quickly look at how to effectively facilitate a discussion to encourage participation, capture different viewpoints, and create an effective learning environment. First, start off the discussion by presenting the question. Read it out loud clearly, repeat it if necessary. Then, encourage participants to contribute. Emphasize that there is no right or wrong answer so that individuals feel comfortable expressing their opinions without fear of judgment or correction. Don't be afraid of a bit of silence at the beginning. After someone shares their opinion, repeat it back to them in a condensed form to ensure that everyone has understood. Capture this insight by either typing it into the digital presentation or by validating the participant's submission through their smartphone. Repeat this process while guiding the participants towards a conclusion and keeping everyone focused on the topic at hand. Once everybody has spoken, the time limit reached or sufficient inputs gathered, stop the discussion and provide feedback based on what is written on the screen. This provides the capstone to the discussion. Now, let's put your understanding to the test.